Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and today's video is going to be a little weekend in my life. I just kind of want to get my life together. I have taken a week off of YouTube at this point. I just really feel like I want to get ahead on some things content wise. I really want to clean my room, and I just need like a productive but also a chill weekend at the same time, you know what I mean? Today is actually Friday, so I'm starting this vlog a little bit early. I'm going with my friend Ruthie. You might have remembered her from one of my previous vlogs, but we're going to do the TikTok challenge where you do rock, paper, scissors and go to different restaurants based on that. I'll explain it more later, but that's what we're doing tonight in like 45 minutes. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I did get my hair cut quite a bit. It doesn't look very good right now because I really just need to wash it and do my own product and everything. I have naturally curly hair, obviously, and it's been a long time since I had it trimmed, so a lot needed to come off, and this is what it looks like. Again, I know it looks really bad right now, but hopefully we can fix that tomorrow. Hello, we're back. It's been what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Gosh. Would you like to explain the game?
Okay, so if you're on TikTok, you've definitely seen it, but we are doing the 4-course rock, paper, scissors dinner challenge.
Yeah, okay.
And let's do drinks first, and we're both very indecisive people, so
indecisive.
Ready?
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, okay, we got our drinks. We got Chick-fil-A, which I got a sweet tea. What did you get?
I got the unsweet tea and diet lemonade, half and half. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you won again. I'm not gonna win at all. I already know it. So we got our Applebee's appetizers.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You win. This is probably hard on you because you hate making decisions. But so do I, so it's easier for me. We got our main course. We went to this place called Logan's Roadhouse. We got chicken tenders and fries and chips and rolls. That is a lot of food, so.
But we're sharing it.
Yeah, we are sharing this, so. Okay, dessert time.
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. I don't know if you've ever had Arby's salted caramel cookies, but they are so good.
Let's go.
Woo! How was your cookie?
Is it better than insomnia? Debatable.
Really? I'm gonna eat mine later, but I got salted caramel and I think they're so good. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. It's about 12 o'clock on Saturday. I got up, ate breakfast, went to the gym, which I didn't even really think to vlog. I got maybe one clip, but it's really bad, so I don't know. Now I'm back home. I don't go to the gym ever. I still need to clean my room. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now. Clean my room, do some major laundry because my laundry is literally overflowing. That's bad.
You different. If you tryna play a game, then I might try to win it. I ain't saying I'm in love with you. Okay, maybe I'm in love with you. Could you be different? Could you be different from all the rest? The way that I'm feeling, is better than the best. Cause I ain't ever felt like this before. Girl, I swear I need you more and more. Could you be different? Could you be different? Yeah. Baby, I can get along with you. I could probably write a song for you. Girl, I'm sorry if I'm on to you, but you got me like, ooh. Girl, just tell me what is wrong with you.
Somehow, I'm still alive. It is almost 5 p.m., which is crazy. I have done so much today. Have not even sat down. So I think I'm gonna take a little break, maybe work on planning some videos for tomorrow.
Is there anything that I could do to maybe try and make you smile? I know it's been a while since somebody's done it all for you.
Is there a better way to do this? Maybe. But, you know, it's fine.
you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like
So for some reason, this piece of hair is longer than everything else. I kind of noticed it when it was curly, but you can really notice it when it's straight. And it's not like, at first I was like, oh, I'm sure she just did that like to the front pieces, but this side isn't like that. I can't imagine why she would do that, like on purpose, because I didn't ask for layers or anything. My mom was like, well, you could go back and see if she could fix it, but why would I go back when I could just cut it myself? I'm kind of scared because I don't cut my own hair ever. And these are craft scissors. It has to be done. It literally has to be done. Oh, I don't think I did a very good job. Actually, it's not that bad. I'm doing my makeup now to film some videos. Oh yeah, happy Sunday. I don't even think I said anything this morning besides me attempting to cut my hair. Sorry if you can hear music. My dad is playing guitar. He actually started a YouTube channel, so if you want to go check that out, it's all about like music stuff. I'll put the link in the description. I'm filming videos for my channel today. It's already like 12:30. I had a little bit of a setback because I started to feel kind of sick and my stomach started to hurt, so sat down for a while, watched a couple YouTube videos, and then I forced myself to get up. Today is actually February 28th, which is Rare Disease Awareness Day. If you didn't know, I have something called gastroparesis, and it is considered a rare disease. I feel like I haven't talked about that in a while on my channel. Sometimes it's kind of hard to talk about, I'm not gonna lie. I did have someone DM me today on Instagram that also has gastroparesis. Honestly, that's the biggest reason that I share all of this and like talk about it, especially on Instagram. I have a whole Instagram highlight up about gastroparesis, but I share it because I know that it could help someone else. Anyways, that is my little rant on that for today. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and then we're gonna film a couple of videos.
you gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip.
Okay, makeup is done. I swear I never do my makeup anymore unless it's for a video or something. Here's my filming outfit for this first video. So I'm wearing this top that I got from Francesca's for $5. And then, you guys are gonna be amazed, my pajama pants. Because why would I change my pants if you can only see me from here up? So, yeah, that's my little filming outfit.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same. I felt that we lost our way, the street is two ways, and girl.
Okay, changed again. I really kind of wish I filmed in this outfit because this is pretty cute. I layered 3 necklaces, which I never do, and this shirt is also from Francesca's, $5. Has this little tie thing right here. It's a little bit cropped, and then I put on these jeans, but I'm gonna go outside and try to take some pictures just because it's nice out and I really want to go outside while it's nice. I'm excited. I have not taken pictures outside in so long. Well, I haven't taken pictures in so long, so we're gonna go do that, and I don't know how they'll turn out, but you know what? It's worth a shot. Okay, back inside now. Sorry I didn't get any footage. It was just a little chilly, a little chillier than I thought it would be. Anyway, I'm gonna look through those photos now. My room is now a disaster. I've got my tripod, phone tripod here, my ring light and my camera over here, and all of the clothes that I've changed in and out of on my bed. This is why my room can never stay clean.
And everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry. You dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's so far.
Okay, I ate dinner. I'm back. I completely forgot to vlog dinner and like everything else, but It is now 5:47 and it is the last day of February, February 28th, and it's not a leap year, is it? No, it is not a leap year. Okay, I think that was last year, right? I don't know. Anyways, it's the last day of the month and I'm gonna go through my goals for February, write everything down, and see what I accomplished. I already know kind of the deal and like what happened. February was not the best for my goals, but that's okay. You can't always achieve everything. But I wanted to upload 8 videos in February and I uploaded 6 because I took the last week off because I was just really feeling, not necessarily burnout, but like I was getting to that point, and if I didn't take that break, I think I would have been burnout. So yeah, I'm glad I took that break. I didn't hit the goal, but I think it's better that I just kind of rested the past week. So did not meet that goal. I wanted to start a YouTube Shorts channel, which I did. I've talked about that on my channel a little bit before, but it's kind of like a new version of TikTok, so I'm not going to go into it, but I'll link it below. And this is funny. This goal right here. Funny. I wanted to post 15 YouTube Shorts. 15? Jessica, are you okay? I posted 2. I did not meet that goal. Okay, podcast goal was 4 episodes and 2 guests. So I did do 4 episodes, but I only had 1 guest on, and that's literally just my fault because I didn't reach out to anyone else. I'm honestly proud of myself for even getting up 4 episodes on the podcast because I really wanted to quit this month. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought that I was gonna give up on the podcast this month. So proud of myself for 4 episodes. We're not quitting, we're not giving up, but it's hard. Podcasting is just a different world than YouTube. So, okay, personal goals. I wanted to go to my new church groups at least 3 times. How many times did I go? I went to 3, so I hit that goal. 1 of them was canceled. I would have went to 4, but 1 was canceled because of snow. So I hit that goal. I had a skincare. I wanted to do skincare at least 5 times a week, which you should be doing it 7 times a week, but listen, sometimes I'm lazy. And actually keep a habit tracker where every day I go through and write down what I did so I can go back and look. And let's see how many times I did skincare. Okay, now I'm gonna cry. I missed my skincare goal by 1 day. 1 day. Are you kidding? Oh, by the way, that's nighttime skincare. I don't keep track of morning skincare. I feel like nighttime is more extensive, you know? So I really want to make sure I'm doing all of the steps every single night, and I missed it by 1 day. Must have fallen asleep or been super lazy. That's so annoying. Last goal was to read at least 5 times a week. So let's go to my habit tracker and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Missed my reading goal by 4 days. Oh man. So out of my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goals, out of my 7 goals for February, I met 2 of them. So yeah. To put it in a little bit of context, I had 7 goals for February and I met 2 of them. I had 9 goals in January and I met 5 of them. So, I don't know. I think February, I was just tired in February for some reason. And I think maybe it was the weather or just coming off of that new year high, I guess. New year, new goals, all of that stuff. I was really motivated in January, and then February is where it kind of falls off for everyone. So I'm trying to be a little bit more realistic for my goals in March. I'm looking at them now and I'm not sure. Just to give you a quick rundown on the goals for March that I'm thinking. I might change these between now and tomorrow. Who knows? But 2 uploads a week and 2 bonus videos because I want to make up for the 2 that I missed in February because I have a yearly goal of 106 videos. So I want to make those up. And then I want to post 4 YouTube Shorts. That is a little bit better than 15. I don't know why. I thought I could do 15 in February, but we're going to go for 4 in March. Podcast, I'm thinking 4 episodes. That'll give me 1 week off. Yeah, and then I want to have 2 guests on a podcast this month, just like last month, but this time we're going to be better about reaching out to people. I think I want to do new podcast art because I'm just not loving what I have right now. It just kind of blends in with everyone else's, I think. That's like a whole world in itself, and I have to hire someone, and yeah, so. And then personal goals, I want to go to the gym. I think 10 times total is my goal, which isn't like a lot, but I'm not really a gym person. I just kind of want to build up some strength and like get a little bit back into shape. I want to get back to doing yoga a couple times a week because I know it really helps me just feel better. And then I really want to read every morning and night, just like last time, because it's just a good way to get away from screens, you know? And then I want to go to my small group at least 4 times this month out of 5. So again, that gives me 1 week if I can't go or whatever. That's an overview that no one asked for, but that's what I'm doing, and I thought I would include that. This has kind of been a long vlog, so if you're still here, thank you. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's 6 p.m. on Sunday, so I may or may not try to record the podcast tonight. Might do it tomorrow, I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really glad that you're here, and I really think there's going to be some more and like different types of content this month, so make sure you're subscribed, check out the podcast, check out my social media. All of that will be linked in the description. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.